Hey everybody, welcome to summer. It's Scott Poncetta with your July update for the real estate market in Silicon Valley and Santa Cruz. Hey, it doesn't seem a lot different than what I've been telling you for the last few months. This is now clearly a seller's market. There is competition at every turn for every listing that is marketed properly and priced properly. Very competitive out there. If you are considering listing a property, now would be a good time. I don't really know why it's not going to be a good time for a while. I know interest rates are up, and it's why a lot of people aren't selling. That's a big reason for the inventory being down. But the prices are rising because of that, and I think they're going to continue. It's not going crazy. It's not going up by double digits every few months. But what I will tell you is that the hottest part of the market was June of last year or the end of May last year. And now our prices, we dropped after that. And then now we've come back and we're even higher than we were at our height last year. So even with the war and the pandemic and the high interest rates, Silicon Valley has already rebounded in a way that is already exceeding our former high. So it's just a part of why this area is so resilient, So if you're considering selling, whether it's an investment property or your primary, it's a good time to do that. Now, what would you do though if you sold? If you sold an investment property, what I am seeing is that this is a pretty interesting time to buy multi-unit property because there aren't a lot of buyers out there with these high interest rates. It's hard to make it work. So what I'm recommending is the people that have cash or would like to liquidate some of their stock options, it would be a good time to go out and put a lot of money down on multi-unit here locally. I think that it's a stale market and there's people out there that are hungry to sell. So you might be able to find yourself 10 to 15 to 20% deals from the high 18 months ago. So anyway, that's the market update. I think that we're in a strong seller's market. We're going up little by little in price. I don't see any end in sight for that right away. At the very high market, the real luxury stuff, there is some stuff sitting. People are a little bit more discerning. They don't have to move at that rate or at that level. So that one's a little softer, but entry-level markets, anything under 2 million, 3 million in the higher end markets is moving really fast if it's marketed right. And in fact, I sold 2 listings last week, both of them with multiple offers, one in Campbell, one in Felton in the mountains, and we sold both of those with 5 offers on one, 7 offers on another, and that's just totally normal right now. So I hope that helps. Check back next month. Always go to my website. Always feel free to call me directly if you need advice on anything that's related to real estate, okay? Thanks so much for listening.